Good morning, my name is Juan. This is Luis from CA General Construction. Right now we're here at 170 Mission Road, Hackettstown, New Jersey, at Mr. James Reddy's home. And we're gonna try to do an attempt to replace shingle because as you can see there's wind damage here and you guys sent to replace around 6. So we're gonna try to do one so we can see. Let's see how it goes. Go, Luis. As you can see, these are the shingles. They're very damaged because of how brittle they are. And now we're going to try to replace it with the same dimensional shingle, different color. Shingles that we are using to replace are new, and let's see how we do when we replace them. One thing I wanted to note is that the size dimensions are different. Alright, so it's all done, but as you can see, we tried to replace it, and as we tried to replace it as safely as we could, there's still damage onto the other shingles, which means that this roof is not repairable.